back, you all, to my channel, Frederica Nation. You know I love y'all so much, so I had to come back with another DIY. And as you can see, I got this laid on the floor, and it's real simple to make, but this is a wall makeup organizer. Yes, a wall makeup organizer. So what I did, I got this mirror from Walmart, and these acrylic baskets organizers I got from Dollar Tree, in between Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I just got the bling wrap and I wrapped it around, hot glued it on there, and hot glued it around the mirror. And then right here I used E6000 and double-sided tape to tape it up. And so this is the overall look of the wall makeup organizer. So once I get the makeup on organized on here, I'm going to show you all exactly how it looks with the makeup and stuff on it. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. Okay, and thumbs up if you like this video. Let's get this to 100 likes. Can we do that? Let's get this to 100 or more likes. So you all, welcome back. Now this is how it looks by it being up on the back of the door. I actually just hung it on the back. Have not yet put the makeup in there, but I'm about to put the makeup in there so I can show you all exactly how it looks. And you can see the bling I put on there and things like that. So it starts with the small trays, the acrylic trays, and then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how it looks with the makeup in it, and y'all stay tuned. So yeah, you all, this is the look that I came up with. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There it goes. Alright, so yeah, put your makeup in there. And that's how it looks, y'all. Ain't that cute and neat and very creative? So yeah, you do that. Put your makeup on. Put it inside of the organizer. And it gives me room on my vanity set as well. So, because my vanity table is like super duper filled up. And I don't have that much room on my vanity set table. So, this worked out. And I think I'm going to make another one just to put some more makeup on and put it on behind my other door. But yeah, if you like this creative idea, make sure you hit thumbs up. Drop a comment down in the comment section below. Any other suggestions or ideas that you would like to see me do, y'all. But yeah, thank y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But until then, thank y'all. See y'all.